Targets begin with a simple question: can a card game and an augmented reality game engage students in effective science learning? Card games are known to encourage complex play and deep engagement. This is particularly true of strategy and role-playing card games such as Pokemon and Bakugan. These games teach fictional game-centered content, but this content is not tied to real-world problems or concepts. What if we could harness the educational power of card games and apply it to the academic requirements of the modern classrooms? Targets does exactly this. Illustrator Simon Basher has created an amazing collection of characters based on the elements of the periodic table. Targets takes these characters and brings them to life in a fun, engaging, and motivating game designed for students as young as 9. Targets includes 2 games, a physical card game and a digital augmented reality game, in which the characters and science concepts come to life in a remarkable way. In the card game, students learn the basics of atomic and molecular structure, using cards that represent atoms and bonds. Here, the students have been challenged to build a water molecule. The augmented reality game takes these same chemistry concepts and brings them to life in a 3D world where they can solve authentic science problems. As the AR game starts out, students are tasked with creating molecules necessary to sustain life in a biodome. The first mission is to create water, but now they are doing it in 3 dimensions. Once the mission is accomplished, the student is rewarded with 3D animations of the molecules they created. The same cards are used in both the 2D card game and the AR game, giving the student a consistent experience in both worlds. Both games allow for collaborative and individual play, making them ideal teaching tools both at home and in the classroom. Furthermore, the AR game will log student activity and accomplishment, making it easy for teachers, parents, and administrators to monitor and track progress with ease. Classroom teachers have observed students taking advantage of the open-ended nature of the game and heading in completely unexpected exploratory directions in their play. During playtesting, the use of specialist science terminology was observed within the first 25 minutes. Students were able to successfully teach other students how to play after just 1 session of gameplay. They did this without outside prompting or support. Teachers who have used the game have given it an enthusiastic thumbs up. Many have noted that the game can be used as an entry point to learning rather than just supplemental material. One teacher reported that students began asking her to teach science every day, hoping that they would be playing the game. She said, "I would recommend this game at the beginning of a science unit, and I would use it throughout the year. Students will just keep learning even when the unit is over." From the kids' perspective, the most important part of the project was that they had fun.
I think that there are incredible opportunities with this game and with the technology to engage students in new and exciting ways.
Here are some of the research from Phase 1 of the project. From the educator's perspective, these games represent an essential and exciting step into the future of teaching and learning. As one teacher told us, "My students love these games, and I can't wait to see what you do with them next." Targets is an intellectually stimulating and technically innovative product that provides strength to Second Avenue as a small business while addressing an important and unmet educational need. Because of the research that supports the goals, we feel that Targets has great commercial potential and is a big win from those who are creating it to those who will ultimately benefit from it.